Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer support on Shopify. Adding a live chat feature to your store makes it easy for customers to reach you instantly, which can boost sales and improve their shopping experience. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify homepage, where you can access all your store management tools. Now that you're on the homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and click on Add. This is where you can expand your store's functionality by integrating third-party tools and features. After clicking Add, you'll see an option that says Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. The Shopify App Store is your go-to marketplace for finding apps that can enhance your store, from marketing tools to customer service solutions. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar at the top to type in Live Chat. You'll see a variety of live chat apps pop up, each offering different features and pricing plans. For this tutorial, we'll be using Tidio, which is a popular and user-friendly option. Click on Tidio to open its app page. On the Tidio app page, you'll see a button that says Install. Click on it, and this will direct you to a new tab. Here, Shopify will show you a permission screen explaining that Tidio needs to access some personal and store data to function properly. This is standard for most apps. Go ahead and click Install to proceed with the integration. Now, you'll be prompted to log in to your Tidio account. If you already have one, enter your login details and click Login. If you're new to Tidio, you can create an account right here. Once you've logged in, wait a moment while the system loads. It will redirect you to the Tidio website where you can customize your chat settings later if needed. For now, let's head back to Shopify. On the left side of your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store. This section controls everything related to your store's appearance and functionality. You'll see your current theme listed here. Click on the button that says Edit Theme to open the Theme Customization Editor. Once you're in the theme editor, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like a little app or puzzle piece. Click on it. This opens the App Embeds section, which allows you to enable or disable apps that integrate with your store's theme. In the App Embeds section, you'll see Tidio listed. Next to it, there's a toggle button. Simply enable it by clicking the toggle. This activates Tidio on your storefront, making the live chat widget visible to your customers. Once you've enabled it, don't forget to click Save in the upper right corner to make sure all your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully set up customer support on your Shopify store using a live chat app. Your customers can now reach out to you in real time, and you can respond quickly to their questions or concerns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.